Let's see coevolution of automation with the code in unit test. Automation planning and strategy has to begin during the backlog grooming session where we are working on the applicant feature. Any missing piece will act as an input to the backlog, and then that will further act as an input to the sprint backlog. During the sprint planning session, we have to again think about each story, what are the data that we need, how we are going to plan to achieve the automation. Any missing piece will act as an input to the sprint backlog, and then we'll start with the one story with the acceptance criteria. Here we are going to see the story life cycle of one story, where requirement analysis will begin in parallel for the engineering and the QA, and they will work on their own design piece. Once the design is done, they will sync up on the design to ensure that both are having the common understanding and all the parties in the team, they have the right level of understanding. Here the automation scripting will begin in parallel to the code and unit test data. Any coding refactoring will be start doing. The code merge and the frequent deployment in happen in parallel, and the test will run in the integrated environment. If all the tests run in and pass, it's well and good. If something gets failed, then the analysis will happen where it's a code issue or automation test case issue. If it's a test case automation test case issue, the refactoring will happen, and then if it's still failing, then it will go to the engineering piece, and they will analyze and fix the issue. They will again merge and deploy, and then the test will again run in the integrated mode. Here, if everything goes past, then that will complete the story, and then in-sprint regression will begin in the integrated environment with as part of the continuous testing to ensure that there is no regression impact on the existing functionality. Once these are done, the review demo will be given and product is ready for this to ship to the users. Any feedback will act as a product backlog, and that will lead to the complete life cycle of the feature and the story. Thank you.